Morning, Steve Freed in Chicago with the morning grain comment. Well, most commodity markets are lower overnight after yesterday's pretty sharp sell-off in U.S. stocks. As far as the stock market is concerned, you can blame the talk of the dollar topping, all the geopolitical issues that are going on in the world, the Ebola in the United States, or just the fact that it's October. But you certainly feel some nervousness out there. We continue to see energy prices work lower, and I think that's catching some of the longs by surprise, and that might be filtering over into the grains. Today is that once a day a month big day for grains when the USDA comes out with their supply and demand report. It'll be 11 o'clock Central Time today, and we'll come back with a video just letting you know what the numbers say and how the market's reacting to that. Going into the report, the market's expecting a neutral to bearish report. We've been talking about the numbers for a long time. And we'll just see how the USDA adjusts acres in the United States, yield, and what their carryouts are. And we'll see what they do to global production, especially in wheat, and what they do to global stocks. Bottom line is the numbers should be a little negative. We'll be watching U.S. weather. There's a lot of rain going across the central Midwest and Delta right now, slowing harvest there, but we're starting to get into more harvest in the northern plains and northern Midwest. And the only thing that we're picking up different than before is that there's a section in north central Iowa where soybean yields are not as good as expected due to early heavy rains. In general, market's still looking for lower price direction, especially in the soybeans. We are seeing some end users starting to get some coverage for corn for 2015. They're talking about lower acres next year in the United States and the possibility of not repeating this year's yield, and that might bring U.S. corn carryout down and could actually be supportive of the prices until we know more about 2015 U.S. Midwest weather. So we got report day today. Prices overnight, beans are 8 cents lower, corn's 3 cents lower, and wheat's 2 cents lower, and we'll see how we go into 11 o'clock USDA report. As always, these are my thoughts and not those of ADM or ADM Investor Services. Have a safe and profitable trading day.